What's up everybody, it's Freckled Stardust. I've been meaning to post this video for a while, but I got postponed because I was in the hospital. So before you guys ask, I am okay. Maybe I'll make another video about my hospital trip at another point, but today we're going to talk about Loot Crate. Now I'm sure if any of you are avid YouTube watchers, you know what Loot Crate is, and it's basically this company that sells nerd merchandise for nerds like me. So because apparently I'm a big nerd, Loot Crate sought me out to sponsor their products. So the cool thing about Loot Crate is, unlike other sponsorships, they will send you a themed box every month, and it has a bunch of cool stuff in it. Now, my box is from March. I received it in late April, early May, I think. And then my physical health just exploded. So without further ado, let's go crack this open. The box looks like it got hit by a meteor, and that's my own fault. It's been under my bed, waiting for me to make this video. But, yes. All right, let's crack her open. So immediately you'll see on the inside there's like a spacecraft, and you can actually pop these pieces out and make like a three-dimensional cardboard spaceship model, which is pretty rad. And they got these fellas. Is that a dog? So the theme for this month was cosmic, and as you can tell, all of this is like outer space themed. I'm gonna look at this shirt first. Don't quote me on this. I believe this is from Mass Effect, and it has a whole dimensional diagram of, I don't know what this is, but it looks really cool. I'm actually gonna try this on and then continue the rest of the video wearing this. So, 1 second. All right, we're in business. The shirt fits really nice. It's their size small. And I'm anywhere between like a small and a medium, so this fits me nice. It's snug. If you're into more loose fitting t-shirts, I do recommend getting their medium if you're around my frame. But yeah, it's nice and comfy. Let's go check what else this box has. So this immediately caught my interest. This looks like a Captain Marvel 3D comics standee. Oh, wow. So it has the whole figure, it has a whole backdrop where you can keep her standing. That's awesome. And it was in this nice little box. Rated 17 plus for some reason. It's not a toy, guys. Okay, then we have this mission log. It's like a little notepad, and it's from Lost in Space. All right, then we got this enamel pin that's got like a moon and a rocket ship. That's cute. Oh boy. Is this from Alien? Oh no. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god, it's a face cloth. This is so disturbing. I love it. Okay, and the last thing. Let's take it. Oh my god, come on. Is a Captain Marvel mini print that I can put on my wall. Huh. Well guys, that was my very first Loot Crate experience, and it was a very positive one. Thank you guys for being so patient with me in this video. I really meant to upload this like weeks ago. I'm so sorry. But it's finally here, and I finally got to see what was in the box. So, whew, now I can throw that busted out box out. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll probably be uploading more sponsorship videos soon, and also hoping to post my first video tutorial soon as well. If you liked any of the merchandise that I sponsored here today, you can go down in the description box below and go to the Loot Crate website. Thank you so much again, Loot Crate, for giving me this opportunity. It was a pleasure, and I hope that I can continue working with you guys. All right, till next time, later.